No, I think we know we are capable to win here. We did it in the past. We did it last year during the group stage, so we can do it here. And we know the first game here it's very important because we have the second at home, and but it would be a very important at home if we have a good result tomorrow. So. We know by the past the first game is very important, so we will try to have a good result tomorrow.